Today I'll be showing you how to use adhesive binds. I have used this during my school time and they are very nice for the books. The books don't spoil easily because it has this adhesive film, same like tape. Okay, it has this film which protects the book from spoiling easily. Now let's begin. Here you can remove the middle area, the strip like this, and then simply take the book that you have and count the lines or the squares that are there. Here I will be counting 3 squares from bottom and 3 squares from top. Once you have this done, just keep the book in the center like this according to the measurement. Then you begin from one side of the book. You have to remove this part which is stuck to the adhesive layer in this way, and then if you have a scale, it is good, you can just move it ahead. Here I do not have a scale handy at the moment, so I will be using the exam pad, this one, exam board. So I'll just use it like this, pulling it forward. I will just move the exam board to clear that side so that it's neatly stuck without having any air filling or folds. So in this way you'll have a neat cover. The adhesive layer will get stuck very neatly. Now important thing friends is, if you have this information like the section, the standard and the subject, you would like to fill it in beforehand, and if you don't have it, then just do take a pen, the CD writer markers that you have which do not go off easily. You can make use of that and write it later on the cover itself. Now once I have removed that layer which was stuck to the adhesive thing, the tape thing, the transparent tape, I will make side cuts like this at the corner, the opening side of the book. I'll make these side cuts on both the corners of the book, and then at the end like this I will just make a straight cut. This is to give a fold. Here I'm making the side cut in this way, just a side cut which gives you a triangle shape left out. Once you are done with this, open the book and then start folding with the parallel sides first, which are open like this. Now one more thing friends, in case if you feel there's a slight fold or something, you can always open it up slowly and try to repaste it in the original form. Nothing will happen, but if you press on it too hard, it might tear off the top layer of the book or the bind. Okay, once we are done fixing this, that's it. You can use a scale. Here I'm using the back of the scissor just to end it up. That's it. The same thing goes on the other side. Remove that film which is there on top, use a scale and then push the film out, and after that just do the side cuts. Once you are done doing the side cuts, you have to do the straight cuts at the end. That's it. Open the book, fold the adhesive side on the parallel sides this way, and then the other side. See that your area is clean, otherwise it catches dust particles or tiny hair bits very easily. Just cut off the bottom ends that you have, and that's it. This is the bind. Useful, right? Then do share it with others, and for more interesting hack, please do subscribe.